Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Shubham. In this new video we are going to learn how to write a program to find whether a number is even or odd. For this we have to open our Python file editor, that is Virtual Studio Code. Just create a new folder, name is test11.py. Okay, in this text area we have to write our code. For this, what we are doing, write it first. Python program to check. Python program to check if the given number is even or odd. This is our aim for this video. Okay, so what is the basic funda of this program? A number is even if it is divisible by 2 and gives a remainder. Sorry, the spelling of remainder is wrong. Remainder of 0. This is the case for even number. And if the remainder is 1, then it is a odd number. It is an odd number. Okay, this is the basic funda. Okay, for using this concept we are going to write our code. For this we have to define a number variable. In this number variable we have to just take input from user for inputting the value. Just write int input and enter a number. Okay, and using a if statement we are going to divide the number by 2. If the divided number is equal to 0, then this if statement will work. Print zero is even. Dot format is a function used for describing the number. If the number we have given is not divisible by 2, we have a else statement. Just copy this statement from top and paste it over here and just do simple changes. Number is odd. Okay, this is a code for finding the even or odd number. Let's check it. Enter a number. Firstly, we give a even number, that is 26. Just see what is the system will show as the result. Here we can see that 26 is an even number. Okay, let's recheck it for odd also. Just input a odd number 5. Here we can see that 5 is a odd number. I hope that you will get it. Thank you.